Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing, your ultimate destination to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of new technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional with 15 plus years of experience in DevOps, cloud, and CI/CD solutions. Today we are going to discuss about AWS EC2 instances, Elastic Compute Cloud. AWS EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, is a web service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that allows you to create and manage virtual servers in the cloud. EC2 enables you to have complete control over your computing resources and allows you to scale your infrastructure as needed. AWS EC2 offers several advantages, including 1. Scalability. EC2 allows you to scale your compute resources up or down based on demand. You can easily add or remove instances to handle fluctuations in traffic or workload. This flexibility enables you to optimize costs and ensure that your applications have the necessary resources at all times. 2. Elasticity. EC2 provides elasticity by automatically adjusting the number of instances in response to changes in demand. With features like auto-scaling, you can set up policies to dynamically add or remove instances based on predefined conditions. This ensures that your application can handle varying workloads efficiently and maintains high availability. 3. Variety of instance types. AWS offers a wide range of instance types optimized for different workloads. You can choose instances with varying amounts of CPU, memory, storage, and networking capacity to meet the specific needs of your applications. This variety allows you to select the most cost-effective and performance-optimized instances for your workloads. 4. Global infrastructure. EC2 operates in multiple regions worldwide, each consisting of multiple availability zones. This global infrastructure allows you to deploy your applications closer to your users, reducing latency and providing a better user experience. It also offers built-in redundancy and high availability, as instances can be easily launched across different availability zones. 5. Security. AWS provides numerous security features to protect your EC2 instances. You can configure security groups to control inbound and outbound traffic, implement network access control lists, ACLs, and use AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, to manage user access and permissions. Additionally, you can leverage AWS security services like AWS WAF, AWS Shield, and AWS Inspector for enhanced protection against common threats. 6. Integration with AWS services. EC2 seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, allowing you to build comprehensive and scalable architecture. You can leverage services like Elastic Load Balancing, ELB, for distributing traffic, Amazon RDS for managed relational databases, Amazon S3 for object storage, and many more. This integration simplifies application development, deployment, and management processes. 7. Cost-effective. EC2 offers flexible pricing options, allowing you to choose between on-demand instances, reserved instances, and spot instances based on your usage patterns and budget. You can also take advantage of cost-saving features like auto-scaling and reserved instances to optimize your infrastructure costs. AWS also provides cost management tools, such as AWS Cost Explorer and AWS Budgets, to monitor and control your EC2 spending. 8. Extensibility. With EC2, you have complete control over your virtual instances. You can customize the operating system, install your own software, and configure the instance to meet your specific requirements. EC2 also supports integration with third-party tools, libraries, and frameworks, enabling you to leverage a vast ecosystem of solutions. These advantages make AWS EC2 a powerful and flexible solution for deploying and managing virtual servers in the cloud, allowing you to focus on your applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Here are some key features and concepts associated with AWS EC2. 1. Instances. EC2 instances are virtual servers in the cloud that you can launch to run your applications. You can choose from various instance types based on your workload requirements, such as compute optimized, memory optimized, or storage optimized instances. 2. Amazon Machine Images, AMIs are pre-configured templates that contain an operating system and other software required to run your applications. You can choose from a wide range of public AMIs provided by AWS or create your own custom AMIs. 3. Regions and availability zones. AWS operates data centers in multiple geographic regions worldwide. Each region is further divided into multiple availability zones, AZs, which are physically isolated data centers within the same region. You can choose the region and assets where you want to launch your EC2 instances, which helps in achieving high availability and fault tolerance. 4. Security groups. Security groups act as virtual firewalls for your EC2 instances. They control inbound and outbound traffic by defining rules that allow or deny specific types of traffic based on protocols, ports, and IP ranges. 5. Elastic IP addresses. An elastic IP address is a static public IPv4 address that you can allocate to your EC2 instances. It allows you to associate a consistent IP address with your instances, even if you stop and start them. 6. Elastic Block Store, EBS. EBS provides persistent block-level storage volumes that can be attached to EC2 instances. It offers different types of storage options, such as general-purpose SSD, GP2, provisioned IOPS SSD, IO1, throughput-optimized HDD, SAINT1, and cold HDD, SC1. 7. Autoscaling. Autoscaling enables you to automatically adjust the number of EC2 instances in a fleet based on the demand. It helps in maintaining application availability, optimizing costs, and automatically scaling up or down based on predefined policies. 8. Load balancers. AWS provides elastic load balancing, ELB, services that distribute incoming traffic across multiple EC2 instances. This helps in achieving high availability, fault tolerance, and scalability for your applications. These are just a few key aspects of AWS EC2. It is a powerful and flexible service that allows you to create, configure, and manage virtual servers in the cloud with ease. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more topics.